Hello and welcome again. Thank you very much for joining me to this unboxing of the Nerf Super Soaker DINOSQUAD DINOSOAK. And I'll just thank you first for being here, for watching this video, and also for subscribing to this channel because this is something that is really important for us and for me especially. And if you haven't yet subscribed, that's okay. You can just do it by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. That's all right. Great. You clicked? Okay, we can start? Not yet. So click. What are you waiting for? Okay. So this one is a big water gun. But before talking about water guns or the characteristics of this Super Soaker, I'll just ask you please to not waste water. Yeah, it's pretty fun to play with water and with water guns, but these times there's very few water on Earth. So please use either seawater or recycled water or even reused water. So don't waste drinkable water in water fights. All right, so this being said, this is a huge toy, and to show you how big it is, you'll see it is something about 42.5 centimeters length. You see, by the height is this is the packaging height. It's 26 or yeah 26.5 centimeters, but the thickness is not that large, you know, it's not that thick, it's quite thin. You'll see that it's 6.5, almost 6.5 centimeters, so it's quite thin, but it can contain as much as, let's say, 700 milliliters. So this is let's say about 24 ounces maybe, but it's quite huge. So it can contain a lot of water. And for shooting distance, there is no specs here, I guess, for measurement about how far you can shoot with this water gun, but some people reported that it might achieve some let's say some distances as far as 30 feet, you know, but maybe this is with an adult's power, so it might be between 7 and 9 meters, but this is quite powerful. So it doesn't need any let's say any batteries, so it's only it works with like some pumping power. You pump and you shoot, so it's pump action, and you have here the handle that you pump and then you shoot. From where you feel it, we'll see it. It's this small stuff here. Small, it's not that small, but quite big. It's here, and you open it, then you pour some water, or as we said, recycled, reused water, not critical water, not drinkable water, to not waste it, and then you're ready to go. And about the weight of this stuff, so this is the weight of the whole package. We'll see. It's let's say it's more than half a kilogram empty, but with the packaging. So this is 629 grams, 629 grams, which is 22.20 O's. So this is the weight of the whole packaging. Now the most interesting part, the part that you're waiting for since the beginning, I guess. It's the unboxing, and you see it's almost unboxed, you know. So there is only these small strips here or strings that's attached with the package. And if you want to open this, well, I guess there is no, yeah, here you have some small instructions. This is not even instructions, because you see this is manufactured by Hasbro, and here you have all these certifications that you need to know about for maybe European Union or UK or Canada, wherever. And this is yeah, do not aim at eyes or face to avoid injury. Use only clean tap water. So clean tap water, recycled, reused, not dangerous. So it should be clean and not dangerous for the face, for the skin, and also for ingestion. If by accident people absorb this water, it shouldn't be dangerous for them. So try not to use some chemical stuff or some dangerous liquids. So this is all the instructions that's put here. It's kind of warning in all the languages, almost all the languages, I guess. And here you have the contacts, but no instructions, because you know this is a water gun. Everybody knows how to use it, and even if you don't know, you just need to open this stuff. Number one, you open, you pour. Number two, you close, and you shoot. And to shoot, you need just to pump horizontally like this. So if you want to open this, there is two ways to do this. Either you open this complicated stuff from here, here, or even here, or there, then here, or you just, let's say, yeah, because this one is closed from here, or you just cut this stuff here, and then you are ready to go. So we will try both. We will just see what's behind and how it is, let's say, attached. So this DINOSQUAD is working with the pump action. So this is made where, maybe it's, yeah, it's made in China. You can see it here, and also some more certifications. It's for Hasbro. You have all the customer services here: New Zealand, Colonia, Mexico, or Mexico. And here we'll try to do this this kind of opening here. So let's see if there is something that we can get like that. And you see that it's yeah, see here it's attached with some cartons, or yeah, that is behind. So we will try to do this like that also. And then you see that you also need yeah, a lot of complicated stuff here. So I'm always let's say impressed by the packaging and the innovation of the marketing teams that are always looking for complicated ways to do some simple packagings. And here you see it's protected here. Maybe you don't see, but so here all the strings are attached here behind. And this looks quite complicated to open using the way that I started to do, and maybe you're not interested by watching this part, so you can skip forward. I won't cut. Yeah, so here, all right, so this can be cut here also, and from this part also here, and then you see this is how it's done. So you see Mr. Robot is falling down, and here you have the protection that we were talking about. So now we'll just cut this stuff. And this one is not really attached. So you see here, it's, yeah. So it's just paper, everything is paper here. So this is very nice for environment, but you know, it's quite environmental friendly, but wasting water is not good. So this is something that is quite controversial. So not wasting water for printing, but wasting water for playing. And then you can just drag this stuff here, and then you see that you are ready to go. And here is our beautiful water gun. So you see that this is quite flexible plastic here, see? That you can move it with your hands. And again, don't aim eyes, don't shoot the eyes, and read the instructions and the warnings. You have all you have the all information about who's representing Hasbro. So represented by Hasbro 240101EE Amsterdam, Netherlands, and the CE mark. And this is the Nerf Super Soaker. So you see, you need quite big hands to take it, to handle it nicely. And you see that for an adult hand, it looks quite huge. So, and for pumping, just need to do this. And the water will get out from this hole here. And you see that it's subdivided to 3 sub-holes inside. And here is where you fill it. So when you pour water here, it fills all this part. And you see that this quite nice design with the teeth of the dinosaur. That this plastic looks like a dinosaur head. And here is the eye. Yeah, both eyes. And once filled, close and shoot, but try to shoot very well. And this looks quite solid, you know. And now you're ready to play. So let's check once again the weight of this gun, empty. So this will give you an idea about the weight of this stuff. So this is 442 grams, which is 15.60 O's. And if you add water, so if you add 700 milliliters, this would be 700 grams approximately, because the let's say the ratio between the weight and the volume of water is 1. So if you fill it with water, expect it to be as heavy as 1 kilogram, which is something that is not simple to handle by a kid of 6 years and above. So you see that dimensions are quite, yeah, this is quite big. Have here from side to side 40 centimeters almost, or 39, and yeah, let's say 40, yes. And a thickness, we said that it's not quite thick. This is only 3 or 4 centimeters, yeah, almost 4 centimeters here. So it can't be just put in your pocket, you know. So this is quite huge, and this goes, it slides right and left or front and back, depends on how you see it, by some 8 or 7 centimeters. So it gives you some quite power for shooting, you know. Yeah, well, it's 7 centimeters, let's say. Yes, it's 7 centimeters. So yeah, you have quite power of shooting here using this pump. And if I try to close this stuff with my hand here, so it's not quite simple to do, you know. So this pump is what is really pushing the water. So I'll try to close this, and then it's quite huge. So you see here Nerf Super Soaker, and you have all the, let's say, the jaws and tusks. It looks like you have something here, but there is nothing, you know, it's all plastic. And that's it, I guess. You have here DINOSQUAD from this side, and from the other side, yeah, see, DINOSQUAD, 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. And in the other side, you have again 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. And the symbols, the most important symbols, don't shoot the eyes. Shoot everywhere except the eyes. So pay attention, don't waste water, please, and enjoy, play, and have fun. Please join us by subscribing to this channel. Leave your comments, your thoughts. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and this unboxing, and that now you have a better idea about what this Nerf Super Soaker DINOSQUAD DINOSOAK looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being here. This is really amazing, and we really appreciate that you come, you watch, and you subscribe. This is really great. Thank you very much, and stay tuned. More fun and cool videos are coming. Please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you very much. Bye bye.